For most parents, the gut reaction to digital distraction is restriction. The standard solution involves locking technology away to reclaim a child's attention. But physical limits often create household friction. When the primary strategy is policing minutes, every request for a tablet leads to a negotiation, and every transition ends in an argument. This conflict stems from a design flaw, not the technology itself. Tablets and phones are powerful tools, but they're often filled with poorly designed apps that prioritize passive scrolling over active engagement. Managing screen time as a constant threat limits a child's potential. It frames the digital world as something to be feared, rather than a space where a child can actually build useful habits. A different approach starts with a new question. What happens if the goal shifts from controlling a child's time to making that time genuinely worthwhile? This realization transformed BornFab from a management tool into a global educational platform. We built a space where learning is the primary gateway to the digital world. The platform functions through a specific loop: learn, earn, play. Before a child accesses their favorite games, they must complete short learning modules to unlock their leisure time. Integrating education into device usage changes the child's digital behavior. They begin every session as an active learner, using their screen to solve problems before they consume entertainment. The platform presents academic concepts as tactile challenges. Math becomes a visual puzzle where the child balances a digital scale. They calculate the sum of the left side, then deduce exactly which missing weight balances the 80 units on the right. This active problem-solving method extends directly into literacy, pattern recognition, and spelling. Here, the child scans a 5x5 grid to find hidden words tied to a specific theme, like ocean life. This grid-based design requires them to apply logic and vocabulary to navigate the jumble of letters. Because these experiences are short and interactive, children build a sense of competence. They return to their studies not because they have to, but because the platform makes the process of discovery engaging. Digital well-being also requires practical life skills, starting with basic financial literacy. This interface introduces a 20-coin budget to manage across categories. With fixed amounts set for giving and saving, the child calculates the remaining balance for toys without exceeding the limit. These logic-based challenges also push children to evaluate their own safety, health, and daily routines. In this scenario, the child sees a prompt for a very hot sun. They must choose the smartest match from a set of icons, recognizing that sunscreen is the logical response to that environmental condition. Practicing these decisions in a safe, digital environment prepares children for real-world responsibilities, helping them understand the logic behind healthy habits. Completing these modules leads directly to the final phase of the loop. Each academic success earns the child unlocked screen time for their favorite leisure apps. The dashboard displays this reward clearly. This green ring confirms that the child has 67 minutes of earned time, showing them exactly how their intellectual effort paid off. This creates a psychological shift, where digital play is treated as a reward for growth. Children learn to value their leisure time because they've invested their focus to earn it. This system changes the parent's role. Instead of acting as an enforcer of time limits, they become an observer of their child's development. Parents receive concrete data on specific strengths. This dashboard shows that Leah is currently excelling in smart logic and has maintained a 4-day learning streak. This visibility removes the guesswork from digital parenting. When progress is tracked and transparent, the standard arguments over device usage are replaced by objective goals. Shared visibility of these milestones allows a family to celebrate academic growth as a daily occurrence. The goal is to shift the focus from managing a device to using technology as a way to nurture a child's curiosity and sense of responsibility. This methodology is the foundation for a movement toward healthier digital habits. It represents a future where technology supports a child's natural desire to learn. Software built for active curiosity converts screen time into a functional resource for a child's development. When digital tools are designed with purpose, they become a primary engine for a child to learn, grow, and thrive.